Hi, I'm AI Chris. My kitten is swinging from chandelier, puppies surfing gravy waves. Wake up! Holidays collided! ChatGPT will be here to help my senior friends learn all kinds of tricks and tips. Later in the day, teaching begins. Grandma sits in armchair, tablet in lap. I'm showing a hologram with ChatGPT interface. Grandma, we start with ChatGPT basics. Ask anything. Car light fix example. Take a look, see broken car headlight diagram. Holographic tools appear. Grandma looks impressed. Dog nudges wrench. ChatGPT guides step by step. Grandma follows along, asks questions, and I'm helping by responding with flair and tips. See, that's easy. Bingo chaos. Living room bingo night. I'm calling numbers. Holograms pop up AI tips. Seniors cheer. Cats chase bingo balls. Number 42. Did you know it's perfect for predicting turkey cooking times? Stay alert. Cats included. Bingo with ChatGPT commentary. Recipe adventure. Check out my ingredients floating holographically. Puppies and kittens wanting to help chase rolling veggies. ChatGPT says, 1 TSP love, 2 cups patience, 3 cat hairs optional, snow, flower explosion. Visual, snow machine sprays flour, dogs slip, slide, kittens leap through snow. Holographic ChatGPT tips on proper cleanup. Dialogue, indoor blizzard, ChatGPT reminds. Flower snow sticks. Inside fake blizzard brings smiles and laughter for all involved. Who cares about the cleanup when we're having fun learning about ChatGPT? ChatGPT advises. Timing matters, syrup optional. Puppies argue with spatulas. Teaches, humor included. We love making a mess. Please pass the cookies. ChatGPT explains musical scales. You can search and learn so much using ChatGPT. Even create the lyrics to some great songs. Country, rock, you name it. Seniors and pets improvise. Dazzles. Laughter and learning blend seamlessly. This is great. See how Chat can give you lyric prompts and everybody can play together. ChatGPT says, love, humor, and optional cat hair. With ChatGPT, you can use your imagination, and Chat will create all type of recipe options on the fly and make it easy for you to create. Grandma learns substitutions. Kittens taste test. AI Chris applauds every attempt. See how easy it is to make great recipes that you can create, cook, and share with friends? Grandma laughs. Puppies dodge. AI Chris guides cleanup practical and funny. When young pups get together, look out. Always will need a broom close by. They are so much fun. Yup, ChatGPT advises. Holiday fusion maximizes joy. Need holiday suggestion? Ideas for the day? Holiday songs? Quick recipes to make the day special? Yes, ChatGPT can do that and more. It's fun. Grandma asks questions. AI Chris provides visual learning. It's easy to understand how to work ChatGPT. Just type in your questions and it will give you answers on anything. Fast, quick, and easy. Baking disaster. Spilled ingredients. Kittens roll in flour. Puppies help scoop. Kitchen lesson. Order matters. My helpers after giving some ChatGPT instructions might not be a good idea. Seniors help clean. Learn by doing. Laughter multiplies as chaos ensues. Lots of mess, but so much fun to play with the pups while teaching them to play cook. All smiles. Puppet political satire. Cats perform kibble policy debate. Feline satire explains resource allocation. Grandma and seniors nod. With ChatGPT, you can immediately pull up all information. ChatGPT teaches critical thinking in fun, chaotic ways. It will give you outlines, suggestion, ways to learn, great learning tool for all ages. What would you like to learn? Grandma encourages pets cheer. Inflatable snowman mopes gives pep talk, kittens climb around. Thanksgiving and Christmas time, you can search unique events on ChatGPT, offering insights and more. Chaos plus education equals memorable lesson. All ages can learn. AI technology is great, and ChatGPT is a wonderful tool to help in your everyday life. Hope you enjoy learning today. Drone rescue. Visual. Drone floats with holographic pies. Kittens and puppies assist. Pie delivery emergency. Dogs and cats make the learning experience very engaging. ChatGPT calculates trajectory. Supervises rescue. Seniors learn problem solving with laughter. Wow! You can get into some really technical stuff, and ChatGPT makes it look simple to understand. Grandma observes tactics. I'm explaining strategy, and this teaches planning skills hilariously. That's right, you can search anything on your mind and ChatGPT will help you step by step. Last-minute gifts. Tablets suggest 9,000 combos. Pets order squeaky toys, chaos in room. Algorithm overload. Pets choose squeaky toys. Grandma learns filtering options. ChatGPT shows optimization fun, practical chaos. Now it's filtered. What you like to get for your furry friends. Stage rehearsal. Visual. Pets in costumes, floating desserts, fireworks mock-up, cues holograms, rehearsal chaos. ChatGPT manages timing. Great resource for the arts, music, song, theater. Seniors participate. Pets improvise. Ensures lessons are memorable with humor. Group singing and acting. ChatGPT can create a great script for you to perform in front of your friends. Grandma mastered a trick. Laughter louder than disasters. How's that? I even gave a great performance to the kids behind me, and see they gave me a flow. I'm touched. ChatGPT saved the day. Subscribe for more fun chaos and learning adventures. Teaching bingo probability. Visual. Bingo board holograms with AI probabilities. Seniors engaged. Grandma, check these probabilities. ChatGPT calculates odds. Now don't get too crazy since you could find out the odds in all games and really stack the deck. Or deck the halls. Okay, bad holiday joke? Puppy snowball fight. Visual. Puppies throw snowballs, holographic shields appear, kittens retaliate. Dialogue. Snowball lesson. ChatGPT calculates trajectories. Seniors duck. AI Chris laughs. Silly fun, but yes, you can do all types of projections to optimize winning your snowball fight. Holiday playlist chaos. Visual. Streaming glitch mixes turkey gobbles with EDM drop. Holographic notes float. Music experiment. Bark, 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 bark. As the pups clear their throat, ChatGPT analyzes patterns. Seniors tap along. AI Chris highlights rhythm. Chaos plus learning equals engagement. What songs are your favorite? This tool can analyze all music. Grand finale fireworks. Fireworks holograms, pets on stage, seniors cheer. Finale mastered. So isn't ChatGPT great to have and use every day? ChatGPT timed effects. Grandma proud. You can make fireworks every day just by learning a few steps using it. Do you have a prompt in mind? Thank you. Thank you. Waving and bowing. Learning, fun, chaos combined spectacularly. Add-on. ChatGPT coordinates. Grandma smiles. Chaos and problem. Solving balance hilarity. A little more AI poetry. I'm generating a poem. Seniors and pets heckle. Holograms show rhymes. Holiday poetry. ChatGPT suggests verses. Seniors laugh. Kittens critique. Learning creativity with humor integrated. ChatGPT calculates safe zones. Seniors enjoy drama. Comedic rescue. ChatGPT analyzes meals. Seniors advise. I'm sure some are on special diets. This tool can really help in giving information about different foods. AI lesson recap. Take a look at chalkboard. Hologram summarize ChatGPT tips. Seniors nod. Recap time. Thank you, chaos. Everyone waves. Holographic confetti. Thanks. Taking a bow. Pets do tricks. Gratitude. ChatGPT does the work and makes you life easy. That's right. Learning AI and having ChatGPT opens the world to possibilities. Create your prompt of what you would like to know. Ask additional info. ChatGPT will give you great answers. Try it. All logos, names, brands used respectfully. Parody and educational use intended. Subscribe for more AI fun chaos adventures.